all this water is coming through my house. Sky's blue. You can see that. And all this water is coming through my house. How is that possible, you ask? Well, let's go look. You see, this is the river that runs through it. My house. It's flowing. You heard all that beautiful noise. That's where it drains under the streets. But before it goes under the streets, it has to make a great big pool in the driveway. And you'll notice, look, there. Do you see that? Where's the water? It comes out of that white tube. And that white tube sits in front of my house. And there's, it's not coming through a room or anything. It's going through a pipe that's attached to the backyard. It's attached to a sump pump in the back. And you can still see that flow. By the time it gets down to that other area, boy, it's really flowing. But it's still going. You can see that beautiful flow right there. You just can't, I don't know, because it pumps under the water. It's pumping though. Anyway, and this is why our basement flooded twice in 6 weeks. Because sometimes that pump ain't gonna do it. So I don't know what to do.